David Shelton, Century 21. We're live on our 5 and 5 broadcast. It's been a pleasure to bring these to you every week. We're building extra content that will be linked to these videos on our webpage so that you can go and explore even deeper into these subjects. But today we're talking about home showings and open houses. In particular, when you come to one of our open houses at Century 21 Advantage, you'll see this banner, and it's we're welcoming you to the property. We have a sign in on an iPad. It's a mandatory thing. It's in two parts. One is it's for security. And it's also for, we deliver to you about 3 hours after you visited the open house a full page of content regarding that home. If you want no further contact, that's cool with us, but it's a way for us to not build a database, but just simply provide a high level of service to our clients that are sellers, as well as being respectful of you as a buyer, knowing that you get out, you've got a bunch of homes that you've looked at over in a day, and this is a way of delivering really fresh content to you, and you can keep updated with the property. So ask plenty of questions, fall in love with the home, and eventually, if you like that home, make an offer. And we invite you to go to our website at 336-2121.com, where we've got a ton of information for you, including if you're looking to get value on your home and how many people that we have shopping with us today. You'll know that as well. You put in your address, and it'll pop up and tell you in our database that are looking for homes today, the number of people. We've got many homes where 50, 60, 70 people are looking for a home like yours if you're shopping as well as thinking about selling. So I want to get into our topics today, and we're kind of doing the B series, the BE series. And this is be aware. I want you to be aware that today, with the technology that's at hand, people they have net nannies, they have cameras in the home, they have listening devices, Alexa, Google, Home, a lot of different devices are around. So be careful of your conversation, not just for the devices, but the other people that may be in the home, including the showing agent. That showing agent, if you don't have that person under agency, then you don't want to tell that person how much money you have to spend, what you've been approved for. You don't want to be overexcited, nor do you want to be a drag either. So just take that comment and just understand that you want to be aware of your surroundings. That's a good rule of thumb, no matter where you're at, but particularly when you're being shown a home or you're in an open house. Number two is to be mindful, again, just of your conversations, like I said, at all times, so that you are not negotiating against yourself if you happen to want to buy that home. The other thing is to be careful. You're in someone else's home. They prepared that home for you to come and shop and to look and see. But if you've got little ones, or you yourself might be curious about this or that, really just respect the fact that you're in someone else's home. They've made it ready for you to make it your home if you like. And they're sharing that experience with you. So whether it's opening, if a door is not open or unlocked, have the agent unlock it. If there are things on the wall or curios or things like that, just keep away from those things. It's okay to open doors and drawers to see how they function, but don't go through people's stuff. So we talked about that. Be intentional. I encourage you to shop within your bracket, the price that you've been pre-qualified or pre-approved for. And also the number of bedrooms and the neighborhoods that you want to live in, the school districts that you want to be in. So we encourage you to do that as well. And we want you always to be amazed at the level of service that we provide for you. So we will invite you to contact us, 605-336-2121, anytime to speak to any of our agents. If you want to talk to me directly, feel free to do that, 605-906-8976. We want you to have an amazing experience. Our desire here is to deliver extraordinary experiences to you and to your family. So until next time, it's David Shelton, Century 21 Advantage, signing off on the 5 on 5. This is David Shelton, broker at Century 21 Advantage in Sioux Falls. Be sure to join us every Friday afternoon at 1 p.m. Central Time for our 5 and 5 live broadcast. You're sure to find great information there. Be sure to invite your friends and family to our 5 and 5 live broadcast every Friday at 1 p.m. Central Time. This is David Shelton, broker at Century 21 Advantage in Sioux Falls. Be sure to join us every Friday afternoon at 1 p.m. Central Time for our 5 and 5 live broadcast. You're sure to find great information there. Be sure to invite your friends and family to our 5 and 5 live broadcast every Friday at 1 p.m. Central Time.